Over the next couple of videos, we want to share with you how your finance team will evolve over your business journey, because it's going to start out in a certain way and it might reach a different outcome over the course of your business life. We want you to understand what your relationship will be with the finance team over that journey. So we're going to look into those different elements. How to be elite in each of those stages, because we believe over the different stages of your finance team and the evolution of your finance team, you might not necessarily get to the third or the fourth stage because of the size of your business. It might not be relevant, but you can be elite in every single one of these stages. And the other thing is, we're going to assume you've got your tax accountant through the whole journey. So we're not going to refer to your tax accountant within this journey. It's around your internal financial mechanisms that you have in place. So the important thing to remember when looking at your finance team is, what is the overall purpose of the finance team? It's to provide accurate and timely information to allow management to make informed business decisions. So accuracy speaks for itself. Everything is going in the right bucket. It's being allocated correctly. Timely means you're getting the information soon enough to do something with it and to fix problems and take advantage of opportunities before they disappear. And then making informed business decisions is utilizing those reports to your advantage, mitigating weaknesses, capitalizing on opportunities. There's going to be standard reporting that you're going to get at the first stage through to the last stage. That includes your profit and loss, your balance sheet, your cash flow. And as your team evolves, there'll be greater and greater detail around what information you get from your finance team. It's crucial to understand the constraints of your finance team as your finance team evolves. And to add to the sea of constraints, we're going to list for you 3 C's around the constraints. The first C is competency. What is the competency of the individuals within your business, within your finance team specifically? What are they able to do? So we immediately think of competency and we think of our finance team as individuals. You also need to think of the software you're using, or the ERP, which is Enterprise Resource Planning, a fancy way of saying the financial and operating software you use within your business. So that can also be a competency element. If you're asking for something from that system that it is not able to do, that's going to potentially be an issue. The second C is capacity. Quite simply, how much work do you have for the people that are available to work within your finance team? Have you got a team member that has 12 hours of work a day and they work 8 hours? You have 4 hours worth of work a day and 8 hours to complete it. Understanding what the capacity of your team is. And the third C is cost. What is the cost associated with it? So you could get a lot of competency, a lot of capacity, but at the same time, your business isn't at the stage to be able to afford that investment, to afford that cost. So remembering our goal of our finance team is accurate and timely information. What's going to influence your finance team's evolution over the journey is the complexity of your transactions and the volume of those transactions. We need to make sure that we have a competent team to handle the complexity, and we have enough capacity to handle the volume while making sure we minimize the cost and optimize the return on those team members. So that's what we're going to look through now, of all the different stages of your finance team's evolution.